G'day guys, it's Russell here from Zamvac, and today we are looking at the new stone holders designed for the Wicked Edge sharpening system. These are made by Michael Fuller from Printed. These are really good quality 3D prints with some really good hardware installed on them. So we're going to run you through how they're used and how to set them up, and just what all the hype is about with these. So these are a 3D printed handle that allows you to use your 1x6 and 1x4 inch sharpening stones. So your traditional Edge Pro size stones that you can use on the TSPROF and Hapstone systems, and then your 1x4 inch stones that are usually used with the KME sharpening system, and some other adapters for the workshop. So the really cool thing about this is inside here, and you can't see it, is a metal plate that's been put in there during the 3D print, which essentially allows you to use your digital angle gauge, which would have a magnet inside. It allows you to connect to your new stone holder. So it's sort of like a hands-free option. I think Hapstone has a metal plate on the outside of their guide rods for the similar purpose, but gives you that hands-free and real accurate way to measure your sharpening angle when you're setting up your knife for the first time in the sharpener. Now the kit comes with two paddles, left and right, right and left, however you want to put it. It also comes with 4 little brackets, and these brackets are designed for when you want to use your 1x4 inch KME size stones. So essentially these would get mounted to the face where the 1x6 stones would go into, using the provided bolts that come in the kit. So we've got 5 bolts there, so a little one extra for if you go missing. The beautiful thing about these handles as well is that it does come with a 2.5mm Allen driver, which allows you to do all of the bolts on the system. So it's a one tool stone holder, which is fantastic. So you don't need anything extra. Everything that you need to get started, it comes in the kit. So mounting up a stone, essentially there's a spring tension portion here, which you pull back on. Really solid feeling, really happy with these 3D prints. You get your stone of choice, in this case a nanoa. You put the dovetailed end into the receiving side of the holder, then essentially pull it back till it clicks, and that stone is in there. It's nice and solid, it's not going anywhere. The spring tension I've found to be greater than systems like the Hapstone and the TSPROF sharpener, so you can guarantee that this stone is not going to be coming out when you're sharpening. The benefits of this stone holder means you can have a really wide range of sharpening stones. So you can have your traditional wet stones, you can use water on the system, you can also use your CBN or diamond plates. With your wet stones, you know, you got Nanoa, you got Sharpening, you got Suhiro, some big brands like that that have a really good range of abrasives. So you've got that ability now to expand your sharpening system's capabilities with these stone holders. So mounting it up to the system, essentially put our stone in, lock that stone in place, get it nice and centered. Next thing you do is get your sharpener. Now with the sharpening system, the best way to do is have the spring side facing at the top, then simply slide it onto the guide rod, and you've got yourself a really nice, super smooth feeling stone. It feels way smoother than the ones offered by Wicked Edge. And there's a reason for that. There is a nylon Teflon style bushing in there on each end, which really allows the stone to give a really nice feedback when you're sharpening. Now, when you're setting it up, you clamp your knife in the sharpening system. And the beautiful thing that Michael's done with his design here is you've got these 2 adjustable screws, which allow you to position the handle lower, or a bit of tension there, higher on the positioning here. So you can get your travel all the way up here, or you can push the stone even further at the same position. So it's really uniquely designed, really well made. And yeah, so essentially you're opening up the capabilities of an already fantastic brand sharpening system. You're just giving yourself that potential to do new edges, play with new types of abrasives, really opens up your world to sharpening. So if you've got some of those CBN style stones that you're really itching to try out, but you've got a wicked edge sharpening system, this is the tool that's going to get you crossing that border into wicked edge and 1x6 stones. So these are available on the website. Check them out at zamvac.com.au.